Hey, you calm down.
You do have to put it out of gear though. So I have to put it out of gear.
You can put it out of gear. How am I gonna put it out of gear? It ain't even got no gas in it.
It does actually have gas.
Okay, cool. That's something good.
Neutral.
Nothing works.
Reverse neutral.
Bro, nothing works.
You don't work?
No.
Oh yeah.
You
over here fucking dealing with hopes and dreams and shit.
I don't know, but look, nothing is happening.
I know because the gear is what you call it for the transmission's not in.
Yeah, dude. And it ain't got no gas in it.
So if I put this in gear, it might roll. Alright, it's in neutral. So basically, you have nothing but steering. So
That's how it was last time.
So you can't put it in gear, you can't do nothing. So just do what you gotta do.
All right.
You just hold it and let it roll. Alright. We'll learn it.
Yeah, once I start going forward, we're gonna be in a different boat because I have no brakes.
Oh, I'm gonna be your brake.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Let it roll back a little ways, and I'll pull you this way, and we'll just let it back in so it'll be way easier than trying to pull it up.
Okay. What are you doing?
Oh no!
Come on,
Don't do it, man! You guys are crazy, bro! Don't do it!
Okay.
I probably have to put it in. I'm probably gonna have to put it on the back of this so I can go forward. I have no steering. Who are you? What you do, my dad? He'd never do that to me.
Oh, I'm so gay. What? I know, that's what I'm. Hey, yeah.
Moving it up, we're sticking it in inch by inch. Ah, shit, I ran my shit over. Well, we ain't got no straps, so she goes, she goes.
know. He's gay.
I'll have to push it. This one of the small ones back there, maybe?
I don't know.
Small tire back there. This thing's doing some crackle act. I hear it. I don't like that.
What are you barking at, crazy? I'm gonna get you.
What are you gonna do? Now you're here, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna lick you. Yum, 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 yum.
Watch out. Watch out.
There's something wrong with you, Ollie.